Now we try one more pattern. That is the same here, but reverse. First we take the this part, and then we will take this one. All of you. Okay, it's kind of some dumbbell, right? Let us try this one. I'm going to write pattern 46. For I in range of starting 1 n plus 1. Here also first we will discuss about the first part. Then next which one here, second part, like this. First part and the second part. Okay. Right. In the first part, so J means spaces. First time no space, then 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 spaces. And K, first time 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1. So for J in range of, so 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma I means no spaces. Then print what, just a single space, right? What about the K here? K in range of, I want to display first 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then let's take here n plus 2 minus I, n plus 2 minus I. Then print of K value and equal to like this. Finally, what we use empty print. So should ask user enter n number of rows. Right. So I hope guys understand about this pattern, right? Okay, execution step by step. When I value 1, j iterating no times, then k iterating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. When I value 2, then j iterating just only one time, but k iterating 4 times. When I value 3, then j iterating 1, 2, 2 times, so k iterating 3 times, 1, 2, 3. When I value 4, j iterating 3 times, k iterating 2 times, 1, 2 display. When I value 5, j iterating 4 times, then k iterating just one time, that one displaying, right? Next, for I in range of, now let's go for second part of the program. Second part, right? In the second part, j repeating 4 times means 4 spaces, 1 value, 3 spaces, 2 values, 2 spaces, 3 values, 1 space, 4 values, no space, 5 values. Okay. For j in range of n plus 1 minus I. So starting 1, n plus 1 minus I means 4 times, then 3 times, so like that. So display. Then for k in range of, so starting 1, I plus 1, then print of k and equal to like this, print right. Fine guys, right? Now let us see here first time what is the I value 1, then j value iterates 5 times, then k iterates just no times, sorry, one time, right? Why one time here? So 1 plus 1, 2 before 1, so 1 to 1 means one time iterating. When I is 2, then space is 4 first time, right? Then 3 times space will come, and 2 times iterates k. When I value 3, then displays 2 times, then k displays 3 times. When I value 4, then j iterates 1 time, 1 space will come, then it displays 4 times, means k 4 times 4 else display. When I value 5, j iterates no time, and then k iterates 5 times, like this. Right, this is the one pattern, guys. Okay, all of you. Right, so I hope guys you understand, right? We'll stop it now. I will see the next pattern in the next session. Thank you, love guys. Bye.